Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm filming a video today on the new Desi Katy Dose of Colors collection, and I'm so excited to film it. Their first collection, I bought a couple of things. I think I bought like a lipstick, I think it was more Creamer Please, and I bought their eyeshadows, and I loved everything. I thought everything was great, and I love watching those girls, so I bought their palette and I bought all their lip products except one, and I didn't buy the highlighters, which I know I'm gonna probably end up going to get Fuego. Chasing the Sun is too dark on me. I swatched it at Ulta, but Fuego looks, you know, looks like I'm gonna end up getting it. Okay, so let's get into it. Before I start putting a look together, I'm gonna run through it very quickly, everything that I do have. So I have this eyeshadow palette, which is beautiful. It is so gorgeous. It has the perfect mattes that I feel like I steer toward, and these gorgeous shimmers that I feel give any look a really nice pop and some personality. And when you want to switch things up a little bit, I've included a little bit of janky swatches so you guys can see how they look swatched on my arm. They came out with two glosses. They brought back Over the Top, which is a clear gloss with gold glitter in it, which is so beautiful in the sun. And then the Most, which is her slutty sister. It is so beautiful. It has pink glitters in it. I've included some videos so you guys can see what it looks like in and out of the sun. In their collection, they've also included two new Dose of Colors liquid lipstick formulas. They said it's kind of a velvety finish, if I'm not mistaken. They have My Main, which is a really nice peachy nude. That's the one that really caught my eye. Super quick. I swatched it at Ulta and I was like, this is going in my bag. And they came out with a Mauve Story. I normally don't steer toward mauve or pink colors, but you know I'm a sucker for something with a little bit of a gray, cool undertone. And it is so pretty. I also include some clips there so you can see what it looks like in and out of the sun. A Mauve Story is so pretty. This would look so good with Spice lip liner from MAC. And they came out with two lipsticks, Aftermath and another one called Hey Girl, Bye Girl, one of those. The other one I didn't like. I felt that it looked too orange on me when I swatched it. I don't know why. I don't know why it looked that way. But Aftermath, this is the star of the show. It is a beautiful, rich chocolate color with perfect red undertones. I am obsessed with it. As soon as I got in the car, I had no makeup on. I had my hair kind of all thrown up. I looked crazy and I put it directly on my lips. I was like, Mommy, do you like it? And she loved it. She thought it was gorgeous. Look at how pretty. So beautiful. So let's move on to creating a little look with this palette. So beautiful. And the packaging. Look at that packaging. Oh my God. It looks like this color right here. Just a Kiss. It's that wet look. Let's zoom you in. I already have my foundation and I have bronzer contour on. I have my brows on and I have a little bit of a lip treatment. This is not the gloss from their collection. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. Are you surprised? You're obviously not surprised because I like never plan anything, but look at how beautiful that is. Desi, Katy, if for some reason you guys are watching this, I love watching you guys. You guys are so cute together and this is such a beautiful palette. I'm so in love with Dirty Money, but then a Moment. That color really is a moment. It's so nice. It's a blue, purple. Let me just, we're gonna be here forever, kids. This is Dirty Money. It looks so much like a shade from that Pat McGrath palette. I don't even know which palette it is. It can't come to me right now, but oh my God. All right, boys and girls, let's go into this palette. I'm going into this color right here, Necessary. I'm gonna start working that into my transition area. Wow, that's so pigmented. This is a really dense brush. I'm going to go into a fluffier brush. That was the Makeup Geek Soft Dome brush. I'm going to use now Sigma's E40 and go into Basic, which is the lightest color in the palette, and blend out the edges of Necessary. Necessary looks a lot darker on my eyes than I anticipated. When I swatched it, it didn't look that dark. I'm doing the same on the other eye, and I'm going back and forth, building the color up and blending it. I want to do a smoky eye and maybe use a little Dirty Money. I'm feeling a little nasty. This color is beautiful. I would love this color as just a one shadow wash of color look on the eyes. It's so nice and it blends so pretty. Now I'm going into Churro. Look at me, Churro. We're using Churro with this dense Makeup Geek eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna just start packing it around here. That's so pretty, it layered so well. If the lighting keeps changing, remember I'm using natural sunlight. And you know how the sun is. I'm hoping that I make it outside in time for golden hour so I get a little bit of fleeky pictures. I'm trying out this Makeup Geek brush. They sent this brush to me and I'm curious about it. But so far it's working really well. I didn't like it for smoking out color in the transition area. I prefer the E40 for that. It's less of a dense brush. It's a little fluffier. But for tighter blends, I like it. I'm gonna grab some of Churro and Necessary and blend that into my lower lash line, just to continue that smokiness. And since I'm already using the colors, might as well just finish it up. I seriously need Botox under my eyes. My under eyes look like a ball sack. They're so wrinkly. Now I'm putting just a kiss of Girl Bye right here on the outer portion of my lower lash line, just the outer portion. And I'm going in with a fluffy brush and blending that out. These colors blend so well together. They don't get muddy or weird. We're going into Dirty Money. Woo! I'm still having trouble deciding a color to use on my eyelid. I want to go into this one since I already put a little bit of the pink, but I want to switch it up. Let's do Dirty Money. Let's see what it looks like just grabbing it with a flat shadow brush. This is M166 from Morphe. Duh. Ooh. It picks up really nicely. There's fallout though. One second. Whoa, that looks so good. There's gold, there's yellow, green, there's black. There's like a black base in this color in Dirty Money. I'm feeling it. That looks so good. The color seems really easy to manipulate. It dispersed a little bit and there's fallout. Guys, just, oh. There's one of my hairs on my brush. There's fallout. But I'm just kind of picking it up with that tapping motion so it doesn't, you know, create a disaster. I'm going into this chocolatey brown. It's like more like of a cool toned brown. Jeans. There's the airplane. And I'm packing that on the outer corner. I just want to give myself a little bit of depth there. And I'm trying to use as many eyeshadows as I can. I'm going to blend that in with a little bit of Necessary and Basic. I think I've said so pretty, so beautiful about 100 times in this video. But truly, the shadows are gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm like, gorgeous, gorgeous, but they really are. They're so pretty. All right, so I'm gonna finish the other eye and then I'm gonna be right back. Ooh, the sun is coming down. Okay, so while my lashes dry, you guys probably can't even see me, can you? Ooh, oh my God, look, oh, What the? Look at that eye. I think the sun is making it hard, but that's okay. I'm using MAC Strip Down as my lip liner, and I'm putting my main liquid lipstick as my lip color. Alright, let's go outside and wrap this video up. Okay, I'm walking so you guys can see what it looks like in the sun. This is a Juvia's Place highlighter that I bought today, which is so beautiful, but look how it looks in the sun. It literally glistens. So pretty. Let's go back here so we can actually chat instead of me like blinded in the sun, so you go into the shadow. I honestly loved it. I think everything was so pretty, guys. Those shimmers are gorgeous. They're so pretty. Let me know in the comments below if you guys buy them or if you've bought them. If you bought the first collection, like, let me know. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. Hopefully one day I could collaborate with Dose of Colors. Can you imagine? You imagine how saucy that would be? Woo! I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.